Hi, welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now, today's video and the next few that you're gonna see will be coming from my previous video, and that is how to make a keto Irish cream. And here it is. Man, this stuff is so delicious. I can't believe how great it came out. Now, my wife tried it and she made me tweak it up a little bit for her. She has her own batch. So I added a little bit more chocolate, a little more cream for her. She's a chocoholic, so she likes hers a little more chocolatey. And that's the good thing about building your own, is you can tweak it to your flavors. But today's cocktail is gonna be the Mudslide. You know, that just delicious dessert cocktail. It's chocolatey, it's creamy, it's so delicious. Now, you know, being on keto, low carb, you can't have those until today. And we're gonna show you how to make a keto mudslide. So let's go ahead and get started. This is super easy, but you will have to make a few things. One, you're gonna have to make a keto Irish cream. I'll have a description of that below. You're gonna have to make a keto kahlua, and I'll have a description of that below as well. So those are both two videos I've produced in the past. You're also gonna need some vodka, using JT Melick, and a little bit of heavy cream. Now, I put this recipe into Carb Manager, and I did make it public, so if you're using a Carb Manager app, you might be able to find it on the app, because I did that today. I built it out with the ratios and my ingredients, and it said that this cocktail is gonna have 3 grams of carbs. So let's get started. So, in your shaker, we're gonna put 1 ounce of just about everything, so it's really easy to do. You do 1 ounce of a coffee liqueur, which is our low. Easy to make, it's only 3 ingredients: rum, sweetener, and brewed coffee. So that's really easy to do. Next, we're gonna go 1 ounce of our keto Irish cream, and this is gonna have somewhere between 1 and 1.5, meaning, sorry, when we back that up, a half and 1. The cream itself is gonna give it 1/2 gram of carbs. The cocoa powder, you adjust it as you want, but Carb Manager says there's 1 gram of carbs in this version that I made for my wife, because I drank all of my own, so I don't have any of that. 1 ounce of that. Keto Irish cream. 1 ounce of vodka. So we go with our vodka. So basically, this is a white Russian with a little Irish cream in it. Kind of what it is. Then we go with our heavy cream. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces, and this is what makes it super duper creamy and yummy, is the 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. So we're gonna put all that in the shaker with ice. Tap that off, give it a good shake. All right. Now, in a glass with fresh ice, we're gonna strain this into the fresh ice. And someone made a comment on one of my other videos about not understanding what the fresh ice was for, and I hope they understood when I said that. It's basically because you have dilution from the shaking, because basically the water from the ice being melted while you shake, that is considered an ingredient. If you just dump this into an empty glass, you're gonna have even a faster dilution, meaning your cocktails are gonna get watered down a little bit. So you're gonna pour that over a fresh ice, and there we go. Now, I've seen this garnish a couple of ways. One, what you can do is, I've seen some where they've taken some chocolate syrup, spun it around the inside of a glass, so you get this nice little chocolatey drips coming down the sides. You can do that. That's gonna add a touch bit more carbs, because even sugar-free chocolate syrup is gonna have some carbs. And I've seen some people put whipped cream on top of it. That's good too. But just to keep it simple, keep it nice, we're gonna just do a pinch of our cocoa powder, some unsweetened cocoa powder. Just a pinch, not much. Just to give it a little bit of depth in a little bit of aroma of that chocolate. Just gonna try this out. That's good. Oh, excuse me. Oh, damn, that's good. Man. Oh, I haven't had one of those in so long. It's been years and years and years since I've had a mudslide. Even before we started low carb in my house, I hadn't had a mudslide in years before that. But man, this is so tasty. No, it's a milkshake. It's a boozy milkshake. That's all it really is. So if you like chocolate milkshakes and you want a little booze in it, man, make the mudslide, because this is what I'm getting. I'm just getting a boozy milkshake. Oh my God, that's so delicious. The cream, the chocolate, and the chocolate's really coming from the cocoa powder in your Irish cream, along with a little bit of touch of vanilla and almond extract. Really just kind of makes a nice complexity to that. Then you just add your coffee liqueur, which has a little bit of rum in it, so it's a little sweeter with that. And there's really, with a little bit of allulose. So all this stuff is made with allulose, blah, blah, blah. You know, like I always say, there's links in the description below to get all the stuff on Amazon. Thank you. So affiliate link helps me out. Yeah, good job, good to go. And that little touch of cocoa powder, so you can smell that cocoa powder as you're drinking it, really, really enhances that chocolate flavor of the cocktail. All right, guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know what? This is what I want to start doing, guys. I want to start on every video, leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite cocktail was before you started low carb. And if I haven't done a video on it, or I've done an old one and it's one of my crappy audio lighting ones, I'll redo it. Or if it's something I haven't done, I'll do some research and find out how to make that low carb for you. So let me know what your favorite cocktail was pre-keto, pre-low carb, and I'm gonna do my best to make that for you. So guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day, because after this one, probably a second one, I'll be having a good day too. See y'all later. Oh, man. That's just a milkshake. That's a whiskey milkshake. Nice. See y'all later, guys.